Ayiso sonke ke lesilungu, isilungu ke.
Sifu.
I'm 25-year-old girl living and working in Four Ways, Johannesburg. But my siblings and I were born and raised here in Joburg. We went to English-speaking schools. I've been dating my boyfriend for 3 years. He's a proud Binga man. I've absolutely no problem being called umakoti. They told me straight, as a wife in this family, you never shout at your man. You must kneel whenever you serve food to your husband.
No, ke jwadi la.
Yeah.
Di umakoti.
Yeah.
Dia kukani ni ukudla.
Yeah.
Unoche. Yeah. Okay, is it a form of showing respect?
Yes.
Okay, now, what act of respect that is equivalent to me kneeling down when serving you food? Nina.
And I must submit immediately if my husband requires a specific meal, even if I've already finished cooking something else. Ubona mabelobola befakela izinto zakhona becoming Mrs. What bayathanda ukusele amadoda abo ama-trend.
It's just a trend. It's just a trend.
Why is it a trend ukuthi uyenze ngaloso sikhathi but you don't want to spend 5 years doing it?
It's content, my guy. It's just a trend. 2 minutes thing.
Sesiganele i-content.
Into yenzo dala le ukuthi bethathu omabethu beshiwe lapha emakhaya. Iyo inephisa kakhulu lethi yangicasula. Ngempela ungathatha umuntu umthanda uhambe umhlalisa kimi mthakahlala wena uhambe uye eGoli uthi eGoli ithi.
Kodwa kuzahlala banike ekhaya manje.
Kuzahlala ekhaya.
Kuzahlala bani ngoba phela akade uvusa umuzi ngomakoti.
Njengoba eshilo bandibonile babanye amakoti bakhe-KZN bona lento bayayenta and bayenta ngokuyithanda. To them it's pride and identity. Into bebe-exposed kuyo abakhule boyibona. To her it seems like an oppression. Akayathi mama wakhe wayengayenti.
Khulele for.
Yes.